the pound of Great Britain, or the GBP, is dying, is crashing. And now we know what's going on behind the scenes. And this is going to happen in this place right here, Babylon the Great. The other, what was that? I believe that was a Friday. It was 1.07, which means if you had 107 United States dollars, Federal Reserve notes, and you went to convert it into British pounds or GBPs, it will cost you $107. It's not too bad. Now I clicked on Max, right? This goes all the way back to 1982. It was at $171. So you needed $171 to buy 100 GBPs. Now check this out. It went down. The lowest it ever gone down is, let me bring it down here. Okay, 108. That was in that's 1985. So the last time it went down this, this low of a number was 1985. So we're talking over 20 years, right? Now check this out. This is the highest. Get it just right. Over $200. So you needed 200 US dollars to buy 100 British pounds. So you're losing money. If you had $1,000 to spend, took a vacation over there to England, Great Britain, you bring $1,000. What you got back less than 500. So why would you go to Great Britain for a vacation? But check this out. It's never been this low since 1982. I'm sorry, 1985. $107 dollars to exchange for $100 British, and I see it going down. And this is a controlled crash. And what do you think they're going to put in its place? So I'm gonna hear from you from the comment section. Shalom.